Growing ginger is super easy. All you need is loose and fertile soil and warm weather. You need loose and fertile soil because ginger grows underground and you don't want the plant stressing trying to grow in compact soil. And you need warm weather because ginger is a tropical plant that grows in the rainforest. So plant your ginger where it gets a lot of shade, just like a rainforest. You will fail every time you try to grow your ginger in the ground in a cold climate. So make sure to plant your ginger in a container if you live somewhere with a lot of cold weather. You can plant your ginger like this or like this. Just pay attention to where the sprouts are coming from. A new ginger plant will grow from every one of these sprouts. Also, you don't want to plant this whole piece like this. Break it up into smaller pieces. Make sure every piece you break has a sprout on it. Now all you have to do is plant your ginger 2 inches deep, water, and be patient. If you start your ginger outside, it could take 2 months before they sprout. But if you start them inside under a light, they will sprout in 2 weeks. Your ginger will be ready to harvest after 5 months, but the best time to harvest is 8 to 10 months. So if you don't live in a tropical environment, start your ginger inside December 1st or the last week of November. You can also use the leaves to cook and make tea. These leaves smell just like ginger. What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today we're gonna harvest some store-bought ginger grown in containers on our back porch. So can you grow ginger in zone 7B? Absolutely. You just need to make sure you start your ginger indoors the last week of November or the first week of December. That way your ginger can get a head start and it'll be ready before spring. This year we didn't start our ginger the last week of November or the first week of December. So the ginger might not be that big, but we'll still get something. So let's check it out. We have our store-bought ginger growing in a 3-gallon container and a 20-gallon storage container. Check it out. Growing ginger in containers is super easy and anybody can do it. Trust me. Alright, so we're gonna harvest the ginger in our 3-gallon container first. Let's see what it looks like. Look how easy it come out. That's the great part about growing ginger in containers. Easy harvest. Oh man, I wish I could smell through the camera. You love the smell of ginger? You'll love being back here right now. Check it out. Look at that. Got another shoot coming up. Oh man, it smells amazing back here right now. And we planted this ginger, what, 6 months ago? Look at that. Beautiful. Fresh ginger. Fresh ginger. So, and you can also harvest the leaves, guys. Came from our 3-gallon container. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let's see what our ginger look like in our storage container. Let's see. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. See? This is what it came from right here. Toss that. Look at that. And like I said, guys, if we would have started our ginger earlier, it would be bigger than this. Let's see what this one looks like. Check this one out.
This one is a nice size. Look at that. Fresh ginger. Grown in containers. On our back porch, that easy. Look at that. See that? Let us know in the comment section if you grew ginger in containers this year. Look at that. You guys didn't grow ginger this year, you should definitely give it a try next year. It's super easy, trust me. Anybody can do it. So we got 2 more. Let's see what we got. Man, every time I break the ginger, the smell just gets stronger and stronger. Look at that. Take this off. Let's check it out. See what it look like. Look at that. Now that we're done harvesting all of our ginger from our containers, now we have to take it inside and wash it. Look at this beautiful ginger, fam. And we're not letting any of it go to waste. We're using the whole plant. We're gonna let the leaves dry and let the stems dry and grind them up, turn them into powder. If we had a lot of ginger root, we would also dehydrate those and turn those into powder. But since we don't have a lot, we're not gonna dehydrate them this year. But we definitely will next year. Fresh ginger from the garden. Let's see. Yeah. What up?